Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 56. The quantitative increase in a country's output over a period of time is regarded as A. Economic development, B. Economic diversification, C. Economic growth, D. Economic planning, E. Under development. So what happens, what do we call an increase in quantity, quantitative increase in a country's output, that is a country's production of goods and services over a period of time? So what do we call that? So option A, which is economic development, is the process whereby simple and low income economies, that is national economies, are transformed into modern industrial economies. So that is economic development. Now economic diversification is or involves use of a broad range of economic activities in a region or country, that is shifting an economy from a single income source to multiple sources. So that's economic diversification. Now economic growth, which is option C, is an increase in production of economic goods and services, that is output. Option D, which is economic planning, is a process by which key economic decisions are made by central governments. And lastly, option E, under development, is basically described as having a low standard of living. So when a country has poor or low standard of living, such country can be said to be underdeveloped. Now option C, which is economic growth, is an increase in the production of an economy's good and services of a country. Now those goods and services, the economic goods and services, are the output. So an increase in that country's output production is regarded as economic growth, which is option C. So option C is the correct answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.